So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Webull stock, ticker symbol BULL, on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on the search icon or the magnifying glass. Now at the top, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol BULL. Webull, of course, is at the top. Press on that. Now, once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy page, make sure that the buy side is selected, as well as the session. The order type, you can change that to market or limit. If it's the limit, you can change the price. And also, too, type in the amount of stocks of Webull stock you're going to buy. In the quantity section, once that is done, go press on the green buy button at the bottom, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Webull stock, ticker symbol BULL, on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.